hello to host you on my channel today. So you're all welcome. No solid filling of the eyebrows, just your eyebrow gel. Use your spoolie to brush your hairs into shape and you start concealing right away. I use the Juvia's Place concealer, guys. It is the bomb.com. Take it from me. And to make that pink halo or arc, I used again Juvia's Place the Berries palette. I was swimming in the pinks, so I cannot tell you I started with this color and that color. I literally just took a swipe on all the colors until something beautiful came up. Well, at least I think it's beautiful. So you're free to do exactly what you think will work out, because honey, it will work out. And here the Majestic palette all over again takes a bow, because it is by far the most pigmented palette I've ever used. Not only the berries, but the violets as well, which I use for the rest of my eyes. I didn't even use eyeliner. I used the deepest shade for my liner, as you can see right now, and the rest of the dark shades to come from the corner of my eye into the center of my eye. Right at the top of my eyeball, I used the one that had like the most shiny pigment. It had like a silvery pigment on it. Yeah, that's the one I used. Let me apologize if you're looking for a more structured tutorial, because my excitement made me swipe on every color until I came up with this piece. The last item I purchased was the highlighter. I use it to highlight my eyebrows and then again to just give a pop of color to the inside of my eyes. Guys, the highlighter is just dripping gold. It's amazing. You don't even use a lot. You see again when I highlight my cheeks, it's just amazing. Okay, and at this point in time, if you haven't subscribed, please go right ahead and do that. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your love, and I hope I keep entertaining you so that you keep coming back for more. I really appreciate your support. And so for the rest of my face, I tried to do the general highlighting, contouring, no judgment there, and I used blush and the highlighter, the Juvia's Place highlighter. I mixed the two so that I would have a rosy golden cheek. Let's quickly reference my last video. I did a lip gloss try on, and I'd said the one with the best votes is the one I'll use in the next look, and lucky number 7 made it. That's the one I'm applying right now. I tried my best to make it look bomb, okay? And you see I'll reline and reapply and my lips, I don't know what you call that, until it worked out. So I really hope you guys liked the final look. Yes, honey, yes. That's the final look, guys. And on the right side of your screen is how I look outside. So as you can compare is how I look indoors versus outdoors. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And excuse my excitement. I mean... So much love goes out to everybody that voted on my lipstick try-on videos. I thank you guys, and lucky number 7 made it. Yay! I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'm looking forward to see you on the next one. Keep the notification button on. Toodles!